Hello everyone. Today we will analyze a new company named Yatharth Hospital, a NCR-based multi-speciality hospital. So this video we will divide into three parts: business, financials, and valuation. Now we will begin this video from the first part. In this part we will discuss about the company's overview, their promoter background, industry opportunities, business strength, and governance. So Yatharth is promoted by Tyagi Group and currently they are holding more than 55% stake in the company. Company incorporate हुआ था in the year 2008 and it is founded by Mr. Ajay Tyagi, Dr. Kapil Kumar, and both of them are orthopedic doctor and इनके पास more than 2 decade का experience है in hospital industry. इनके सन मिस्टर यथार्थ त्यागी जो कि होल टाइम डायरेक्टर है इन द कंपनी इज ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ लीडरशिप टीम. He has done MSc in International Health Management from the Imperial College of London. So अगर हम बात करें कैपिटल मार्केट जर्नी का तो यथार्थ का IPO आया था इन द ईयर 2023. So this was a combination of offer for sale and fresh issue. इन्होंने फ्रेश इशू से कंपनी में पैसा डाला था अराउंड 490 करोड़ एंड फ्रॉम ऑफर फॉर सेल अराउंड 200 करोड़. उसके बाद से इन्होंने दिसंबर 24 में फर्दर QIP किया एंड दे रेज्ड अराउंड 625 करोड़ एट अ वैल्यूएशन ऑफ 595. सो एज ऑफ नाउ कंपनी हैज 9 मल्टी स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल विद 2800 बेड कैपेसिटी in NCR. So management has clear expansion plans also. They want to raise this 2800 bed to 5000 plus over a period of 3 years. So अगर हम बात करें इनके जो 9 हॉस्पिटल है out of which 3 hospitals are in Noida and this all 3 hospitals are greenfield project. So which means they developed by this hospitals was developed by the company itself. And the remaining six hospitals were acquired through different routes. For example, company acquired one hospital in modern town Delhi from the Sarfaisi route. It also has 2 hospitals in Faridabad, one in Agra, one in Jhansi Orcha, and इन्होंने recently एक new hospital का acquisition किया है in Gurugram. अगर हम governance की बात करें, so companies fairly strong because its statutory auditor is BDO, its internal auditor is Deloitte, जो कि top 6 firms हैं in world. Then company ने improve किया है governance structure by appointing Mr. Ramesh Krishnan as an independent director. Mr. Ramesh Krishnan के पास more than 20 year of experience है in hospital industry and पीछे इन्होंने काम किया है in companies like Aurobindo Pharma, Fortis, Piramal, etc. Further कंपनी ऑलरेडी इंक्लूड हो चुका है MSCI इंडिया स्मॉल इंडेक्स में एंड क्रिसिल ने भी इनका रेटिंग अपग्रेड किया था टू A स्टेबल. सो दिस ऑल आर पॉजिटिव साइन इफ वी सी एंड इट इम्प्रूव द क्रेडिबिलिटी ऑफ एनी कंपनी. नाउ लेट अस कम टू द बिजनेस मॉडल एंड द कॉम्पिटिटिव एडवांटेज ऑफ दिस कंपनी. सो यथार्थ इज अ नॉर्थ इंडिया फोकस्ड मल्टी स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल चेन. One of the biggest strength of the company is it follow cluster based expansion. So it started one hospital in Noida and now they are having 3 hospitals in Noida, 2 in Faridabad, 1 in Delhi, 1 in Gurugram, 1 in Agra and 1 in Jhansi Orcha. So this cluster strategy is important because it helps the company to build a strong brand presence in each region. So अभी इनका फ्यूचर में एक्सपेंशन करने का प्लान है इन फरीदाबाद फ्रॉम 2 to maybe 3-4 हॉस्पिटल. इन गुरुग्राम अभी एक हॉस्पिटल आने वाला है फ्रॉम 1 to 2-3 जाएंगे. सेम ये फॉलो करेंगे इन दिल्ली भी एंड इनका पूरा एक्सपेंशन का या जो भी हॉस्पिटल न्यू ओपन करेंगे सारा हॉस्पिटल होगा इन नॉर्थ इंडिया, इन यूपी, हरियाणा, पंजाब, लाइक दैट. सो अनदर एडवांटेज अगर हम बात करें कि हॉस्पिटल्स जो कि इनके NCR रीजन में है विच गिव इट एक्सेस टू लार्ज पेशेंट्स because many patients coming from different regions to Delhi. So also इनका medical tourism की वजह से काफी help होगा. Then the Jewar airport coming up, connectivity in this region should improve further. So that can support future patient inflow and revenue growth. So overall, Yatharth Hospital has a strong promoter background, clear expansion strategy, and growing presence in North India. Now let us move to the financial part. In this part, we will discuss about the P&L, cash flow, balance sheet, and some important hospital metrics. If we if we first look at the revenue growth, company has been growing consistently at more than 30% year on year. In FY26, company reported a revenue of 1200 crore. In the last year, that is FY25, it did 860 crore of revenue. So clearly company is showing strong growth in terms of revenue. अगर हम हॉस्पिटल कंपनीज की बात करते हैं तो सम इम्पोर्टेंट मैट्रिक्स आर लाइक एवरेज रेवेन्यू पर ऑक्यूपाइंग बेड, ऑक्यूपेंसी रेट. सो इनका जो ARPOB है दैट इज करंटली अराउंड 33,000 एंड लास्ट ईयर इट वाज 30,800. सो इसमें ग्रो हुआ है 7% ईयर ऑन ईयर, which is very positive sign for any new business or any hospital chain. Second is the occupancy ratio. So occupancy ratio has improved from 63% to 68%. This is important because higher occupancy means better utilization of hospital capacity. Now coming to the profitability part of the company. So company EBITDA margin is around 24% and PAT margin is around 14%, which look good for a hospital business. And last quarter, management has guided that in FY27, revenue and EBITDA may be better than FY25. So the growth outlook remains very positive. Now let us talk about the cash flow. So one good thing in the company is that it has been generating positive operating cash flow continuously. Operating cash flow was around 150 crore in FY25 and 205 crore in FY26. At the same time, company is investing aggressively for the growth. So last year it spent around 600 crore for expansion and acquisition, including hospitals in Agra, Gurugram, etc. So overall, from the financial perspective, revenue growth look very strong. Hospital metrics are improving, margins are healthy, cash flows are positive. At the same time, management is focusing on the growth. Now let us move to the last part of the video, which is valuation, future growth, expectation and conclusion. So currently Yatharth Hospital is trading at a P of 45, which is not cheap. If we compare to the last year, it is trading at very low P of 30, 34, 35. While bigger hospitals like Apollo, Max are trading at a P of 60. So yes, these companies are much bigger and already established player in the industry. But the important question is, can Yatharth also become a strong player in the future by executing its expansion strategy? Because the company has clear plan to add more beds and grow revenue over a period of next few years. As we discussed earlier in the video, company का अभी 2800 bed capacity है. In the upcoming 3 years, they want to increase it to 5000. If we compare some other operating metric, there is still room for improvement. For example, top hospitals have ARPOB around 65,000, while Yatharth का है is around 33,000. So yes, there is enough room for improvement in the coming years. Another important point is the revenue mix. So currently 35% of its revenue is coming from government business and remaining 65% from insurance and cash. But management का target has to improve it to 25% from government and 75% from cash and TPA till financial year 28. Why it is important? So it is important because it improves realization and improve working capital cycle over a time, and this also help them to improve the ARPOB. So one interesting thing is, जो कंपनी ने लास्ट ईयर एक्विजिशन किया था वन हॉस्पिटल इन दिल्ली, वो ऑलरेडी उसका 100% रेवेन्यू इज कमिंग फ्रॉम कैश एंड इंश्योरेंस पेशेंट. सो ओवरऑल इफ वी सी, कंपनी मैनेजमेंट लुक्स एक्सपीरियंस, फाइनेंशियल्स आर इंप्रूविंग, गवर्नेंस इज स्ट्रॉन्ग, business metrics are also moving in the right direction. At the same time, stock is not cheap. So future growth and execution will be very important. According to me, the biggest risk is execution risk. Whether management can successfully add more beds, integrate acquisition and improve profitability. So overall, Yatharth look like an interesting story, but future performance will depend on how management execute its expansion strategy. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय.